In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add a VHS effect to your footage in After Effects. Alright, so first of all, add an adjustment layer on top of the footage layers that you have on the timeline. Once that's done, the first effect we'll add is the unsharp mask. Apply it onto the adjustment layer, and in the effect controls, set the amount to 75 and the radius to 8. Next, add the fast box blur and set the blur radius to 3 and the iterations to 1. To slightly soften the footage a little bit so the sharpness of the unsharp mask feels smoother and more cinematic. After that, apply the wave warp effect and set the wave height to 15, wave width to 65, and the direction to 0. Also set the wave type to smooth noise to create a gentle organic motion for the VHS effect. Then add the channel blur and set the green blurriness to 5, the blue blurriness to 5, alpha blurriness to 15, and also change the blur dimensions to horizontal. After that, add the noise effect and set it to 10% to blend everything together and create this slight effect you see right here. You could also add the motion tile effect and make the output width 80 so you can get this classic VHS cropped up look with these dark edges. Finally, add the tritone effect and make the midtones color white. But make sure to set the blend with original option to something like 80 or 75%. This is how the footage looked beforehand, and this is how it looks now. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.